तो 100 साल किसी भी संस्था का पूरा होना बहुत बड़ी बात है। उस संस्था ने उतार चढ़ाव सभी देख लिए। एंड जैसे भारत के सबसे अच्छे ओपनिंग बल्लेबाज सुनील गावस्कर करते थे कि जब भी सेंचुरी मारे तो फ्रेश कार्ड लेते थे और नई इनिंग चालू करते थे, अपनी विकेट को कभी फेंकते नहीं थे। वैसे ही ये शताब्दी मंथन है। 100 साल अच्छी तरह से that we need to prepare, and I hope this Shatabdi Manthan gives enough food for thought so that Chamber of Tax Consultants could prepare for next 100 years. Thank you. So, as I mentioned earlier, we have to create more role models like Bansi Mehta, Yesdi Malegam in the practicing chartered accountants. Today also we have many good chartered accountants, many good tax consultants, but we need public profile like Yesti Malegam, like Bansi Mehta, where their word itself became law.
Myself, I'm Neha Gada. I'm the Vice President of Chamber of Tax Consultant, and we are celebrating our 100th year this year. It is established in 1926, and Chamber is an organization for chartered accountants, advocates, company secretaries, and all professionals. The main idea of Chamber is thought leadership and putting up our representations before the government, before authorities, and taking all the feedback that are required on new acts, laws. The chamber this year is totally geared up while entering into the next century to take up the new income tax law. We are going to come up with a lot of representations and our say on what the new law is. We are also going to take up a lot of residential courses, lecture meetings, and free public meetings on new income tax law. So that is the idea that we are going to take up next year. We will be also taking up programs on AI and technology, which is the need of the hour, and all professionals would be required to look into it thoroughly.
100 साल पहले जो होता था और अभी तक जो हो रहा है इसमें चैलेंजिंग क्या है?
इसमें चैलेंजिंग है finding people who can actually work for an organization where they are not being paid and they have to give their time. So finding the right set of people to contribute to the welfare of the society, that is becoming a little challenging these days. And people attending programs in a physical form, that is another big challenge. People want everything virtual. There is less of social interaction left in these current times.
And what was the concept? Today's stamp has been released in the government of India.
It's just in memory of Chamber of Tax Consultant that on completion of our 100 years, we have launched this stamp, and we'll be using in all our various communications that we'll be sending to our members and non-members.
I'm looking at future, like you were taking care of, like what you look at future challenges and how to solve it. Have you planned out that?
Future challenges would be, as Nilesh Bhai also said, ease of doing business is a big challenge in India, and we are trying to contribute in some small or bigger way by putting our representations and thoughts in future, how we are going to take this up. So that is a major challenge, and we are trying to help out the society and community as a whole.
Ma'am, how is CTC making an impact in education and revolution or bringing changes in the financial system?
So the aim of CTC is Jnanam Param Balam, as we have discussed. Knowledge is power, and dissemination of knowledge is the whole goal of CTC. So by conducting, I think so we conduct roughly 300 webinars, seminars, and workshops where we help dissemination of knowledge on direct tax, indirect tax, law, corporate laws, allied laws. So this is the whole aim of
And what will be your message to young professionals who wish to join your chamber or to your organization for their growth?
So young message is that we have to give back to the society, and probably this is one of the best way by joining chamber and joining its various lead committees. You will be definitely be able to contribute to the society and give it back to the
Today
society.
celebrating the concluding finale program of the centenary year of Chamber of Tax Consultants. As always, we have dedicated it to the dissemination of knowledge That is our strong point. That is our core objective. And if you see the audience, we have gained a lot, and the audience is keen on every word of the session that has taken place and which will follow.
So what is the way forward for CTC next?
CTC is having completed 100 years. We are looking to see how we establish a new generation of competent leaders to lead not just the profession, but also hopefully the nation in the right direction on economic legislation, in administration of tax laws, to see that we contribute to the nation building effort that we are trying to propagate.
And
I'm
how-
sure we'll succeed. in
And how CTC will make impact in education and financial as well as
So we are-
profession
we
and
are
bringing more
trying-
professional into the industry.
So, in trying to build up the professional, it is always a joint thing. The professionals can build up only if the economy permits, and the economy can permit only if the professionals contribute in a positive way. Chamber of Tax Consultants is the catalyst that brings these two parties together, provides a platform for the administration, tax authorities to interact, understand what are the deficiencies in a good manner, and see that we resolve the problems for the taxpayers and the citizens rather than simply complaining and fighting about it. Idea people don't understand. Although we are a community of chartered accountants and lawyers, we are not keen to increase litigation. We are trying to decrease litigation and make life simple for the taxpayers. In the long run, our education should be looked at in that perspective rather than a negative perspective.
So what was the concept behind launching a stamp today? We have launched a stamp.
See, the idea is that they chartered accountants and lawyers are not seen very positively. I think we need to project ourselves. We have been falling short of that. Even Nilesh Bhai mentioned that perhaps our PR is somewhere missing, although we are doing great work. So this is one of the efforts, like our short video films and so on, to try and reach out to the people, to see that our message goes across to them in a positive way.
And what will be CTC more initiative to bring more entrepreneurs or professionals into this industries?
We are trying to have programs which will be jointly with other associations, with other, including Indian Merchant Chamber and other trade bodies, so that we have a greater interaction.
Sir, can you please talk about the 100 years of
100 years of CTC.
So basically, as the president mentioned as to, what chamber is, we are celebrating 100th year, and we had a lot of initiatives during the 100th year. We started with the inauguration on 4th July, where Dr. D.Y. Chandrachud, retired Chief Justice of India, was the chief guest. Then K.K. Mistry, the chairman of SDFC Bank, was another guest with whom we had fireside chat. Then we had launch of Gyan Shorts, which are short videos which would help the members to gain knowledge about very important subject. They are brief videos, but they are very important and made by the experts on the subject. Then we have Chamber's Journal, which is a very important mouthpiece of Chamber, and it's a monthly journal. We had 6 dedicated issues on during the centenary year, and on very direct tax, indirect tax, AI, accounting, ethics, and on Constitution of India. These 6 subjects we had special issue, and today we are going to have another issue launched during this ceremony. Besides that, I think the new chapters are being opened. President can elaborate on that. We are opening, we have opened a Pune branch and Vidarbha branch, which will be formally launched today. And the initiatives would continue.